Are you got any interest in giving me a deal and just selling them all?
Selling them all?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, this is David.
Some antiques. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Some classic items here.
Made in Italy, General Horn.
This is pretty cool looking.
Yeah,
It's so detailed.
oh, that's very detailed. Very proud.
Kind of like it. I might get it. This is also cool.
Are you there yet? Yes. What are these little guys today?
Oof, mead. Hey, how you going?
How are you?
Pretty good. Got some interesting stuff here, huh?
Yeah, got a lot.
This is really cool. Look, Mom.
We had it for a display. Yep.
Yeah, I dusted it a lot.
How much is this thing?
These are 40. That's 40.
That's cool.
Yep.
Let's do
They're
that.
older. They're replicas of the original ones.
Yeah.
Like this one, and this one right there. Yep.
Oh. They all move.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Poor kid.
Yeah.
Why is he shooting the kid?
See you later. Yep. And then I think your apple, I think, goes up there, and then
Oh, there's an apple.
yeah, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh, there it is.
right there. And then it's been a while since I've used it, and then it shoots. I think you put the coin right here.
Ah, okay.
Yep. And then the triggers, there was a trigger somewhere. Like I said, it's
Wow.
been a while. There it goes. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it shoots it
That's
up. And they all
neat.
do like that. This one, you
Wow.
put the coin right here, and you hit that.
Oh, there's a coin involved.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a bank. Yeah, all of them are
they're all
banks.
piggy banks.
And then he hits her, and the
Ah.
bank goes in there. These are the same way, so the same idea with these. Yep.
That's wild. Where'd you get these? You just been collecting them?
Well, these are her mom's. These we've had for a long time.
They're cool.
If you're interested in this one, I'll do 15 on it because we're just
Really?
shutting down right now. Yep.
It's a music box.
Yep.
I know. That's really... Wait.
You can
Here.
crank it up. Yep.
With the wind.
Yeah, I'll
And then
probably do
there's
that
another
for
one right
15.
here.
That's
this
cool.
is an older one too. But... So you could have both of them for 20.
They're pretty cool.
What's on?
I said those are pretty cool.
I think there's like
this one
a switch
works.
to shut it off and on.
Oh.
Yep.
Those are very
see.
cool.
Yeah, I do 20 on those. Those are really neat.
These are cool too. the
I know,
banks,
those
but
are
they're
really
11 How
cool.
much are they? They're
40 each, he said.
No, this one is 40. This one is 60, and that's 100.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
my.
they're big
Yeah.
bucks.
big bucks.
Big bucks. I wanted to get this cool face too with all the detailed wrinkles and
This
stuff.
one, the $5 one.
Yeah,
we'll
that
do
thing's
25
neat.
bucks, yeah.
You just want to think of your mom, huh?
Oh yeah. You have no wrinkles, Mom. Wow. Very
You need a
pretty.
bag for this stuff?
Um,
Or you-
no, because if I put it in a bag, I might break it.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna be more careful.
No. No. Sorry, I don't. No.
Does your electric mower work?
That's, yeah, it's brand new. I have a battery to test it, but the battery folds just like this.
The salesman.
I agree with you, but the problem is,
It's a brass boat.
It is, we never use it. Yep. I borrowed a battery.
pretty
I
cool.
had 2 batteries when I bought it, and they both went bad. I had older batteries, and I borrowed one from my friend to show here. Still have a tag on IMIS, in 90 days I couldn't take it back, so.
I think I'm gonna buy this from you too.
Huh?
This brass boat. That's cool. That is brass, right?
Yep.
Yeah. That's neat. Ugh. You don't happen to have a change for a 20.
I do.
Okay.
Florida, that's the problem.
Is
Well,
that,
you're already packing up.
Yeah, he's packing up. Thank you.
thank you.
Yeah, this is your last chance. Last
Okay.
looks at his
Take your
sale.
time.
What's that?
What is this thing?
That's a scale
Ah, okay.
with all the weights.
Ah, yeah, okay, that makes sense.
How much is the Superman hat?
$1.
$1?
Are
You
we on
want me-
YouTube?
You want
Yeah, man. You could be if you want to.
You like it?
He's got a good.
Hello, how are you?
Very good.
Pretty good. She's very good, I'm pretty good. It's a mixed bag.
Harley Davidson.
Demi Lovato?
Birth of
Your
what
favorite.
philosophy? Astrology.
Oh, you got the good stuff, huh? Wow.
Actually, I got a little bit more attention on these cards than
Yeah,
I thought I would.
yeah.
Well,
How's
you're
it going?
not going to get the attention you want from me. I'm sorry to say.
You don't like baseball cards?
No, but, you know.
She doesn't dislike them.
Yeah.
Just not your thing, right?
Nah.
It's not her.
Well, you know, when I was a kid, I had a Babe Ruth collection. I did so, and my mother, I was over in Germany. Everything out of the house.
I've heard this story.
So many stories. my all his comic books are gone. He had 2 Superman first editions.
Oof, that's brutal.
That's me.
Yeah.
Everything I owned, completely. My mother sold the house.
Uh-huh.
She didn't tell me when I got back from Germany.
Right.
I walked into the house, and I'm like, and they're like, your mother did. Yeah.
Wow, how much is Wade Boggs?
I don't think it's much. I think he's falling down. Come on, Joey.
That's why I don't like baseball cards.
To give her bad memories of her childhood.
I was pretty
20 bucks.
devastated.
Okay, you got pressed on the back.
It was
Do you sell them at like a flea market or something? Is that why they're all?
I used to do a lot of, yeah, it's $10.
Yeah.
And then I think I have an 83 Wade Boggs somewhere.
So these are
Oh,
these aren't graded, or they are? I don't.
Oh, they are
understand.
green.
So what? Oh, yeah, mint or whatever.
Yeah.
8.
Go from 1 to 10.
Okay.
Obviously 10 being
I don't
the
know a
best.
ton about cards. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's another Wade Boggs.
Yeah, that's the 83.
There it is. Yeah.
Oh, you like Wade Boggs?
Yeah. More so than my grandpa was big into the Red Sox.
Right.
So he was
Yeah.
always.
Oh, geez.
Remember, Mom?
I got a Carl Yastrzemski inside.
Grandpa was all about them, and he liked Wade Boggs.
That'll be $10 too.
20. Yeah.
Oops. Sorry.
Emmett Smith. Oh, yeah. It's a classic too.
Yeah. Oh,
30. Yeah, he's a lot. Was that like a
And-
rookie or something?
Yeah, that's a rookie. And this is a rookie too. Stadium Club.
Wow.
There's a little less of them around, but yeah, 25.
Okay. I have no idea if those are good prices or not.
Yeah. Hey, you just Google it real quick and
Yeah.
Rookie.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, I don't think it's a 4. So.
Yeah, not like a
Yeah.
super great grade,
it's
but
But for nostalgia purposes, is your
Yeah.
mom still alive?
he passed.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I was gonna say.
It happens, yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you want to hold on to it, that's cool.
Probably the one.
Oh, really? You
Yeah, hold
don't?
on to it.
Cool, man. Thank you. That's neat.
He was probably the one that told my mother to throw it on.
Oh, stop it. He did not. He was actually very sweet to
I
me.
was very upset.
He
I
was
would be too.
very nice to me.
I would
They
be
didn't even
too.
Tell me they moved.
My father, like I said, he had sets, and before Topps started printing baseball cards, there was a company called Bowman, and he had a whole set of 51 Bowman and Mickey Mantles. Like the 1952 Topps Mickey Mantle rookie is probably the most sought after baseball card in the hobby, and he had a ton of them.
It's very upsetting.
It is very, like, you could put your kid through college with like. Wait a second. Wait a second.
Wow.
Wait a second. Let me get a
I don't.
picture of that.
Are you wearing a mask? I can't tell.
Oh, don't take that off. Don't take that off.
He wants a picture, Mom.
Look it.
How much is? Well, is it locked again? Did
Yeah.
you lock it? You're a fast locker.
I'm sorry.
I said
Oh,
you're a
yeah.
fast locker.
I'm
How much is Barry?
How much is the mask?
Gotta break through it.
Huh? Like, sure.
How much is the mask?
I think that was. How much was the mask? I think they were asking $5, but I don't know. $5?
What do you take 2 for?
2?
She just
That
wants to make the kids laugh.
Yeah.
Oh, that was
I'm gonna
12.
do it for
20,
the grandchildren. I got a bunch. I'm visiting,
one
so
is
when I go
25.
visit them, they'll think grandmother
Yeah.
really
I
changed.
think you got them priced at what they're worth, basically.
I think the cheapest ones are 10. Like
Yeah.
Glavin is 10.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Why are you selling them?
I give to you.
I've had these cards my entire life. And,
Yeah.
I mean, I used to do shows and whatnot with like the
Yeah.
and this is just what I have left over.
Okay.
Now, where were you raised? Around here?
Jersey.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I
Yeah.
was raised in Connecticut.
Okay.
Must have been a thing then.
Yeah, the
They
Connecticut
decided to
thing.
sell their homes and just the dirt they felt and not tell them. I don't.
I've been
Oh,
down here
your
for about
father
5
did.
years now.
You like him?
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice little neighborhood. I like all the
Yeah,
like
I
houses
thought
in a
that,
line.
You know,
It's cute.
nobody else is doing because this is like a neighborhood yard
Yeah.
sale, and I would have thought that.
There's a handful of other ones
Oh,
though.
are there?
Yeah, like just if you take a right, there's like probably I think 4 more that we've been to
Okay.
in your neighborhood, and then you got one right down here. I don't know if you
Gotcha.
can see it, but your neighbor right down there is doing
Oh, I
one.
see. Cool.
Yeah, so it's probably like 6 people, something like that. But yeah, okay. You got any interest in giving me a deal and just selling them all?
Sell them all?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, this is David.
Sure. Let's see. Let me get a quick number.
Okay.
Anything without a price I didn't include, but that's what it came up to, $735.
Wow.
If you're serious, I'll go 500.
500, huh? Let me look that guy up, because that one's a big price one. 500, huh?
Why? When you say big, what does that mean, David?
I mean, it's expensive.
How
60
much
bucks.
is it worth?
These things are hard to say. I think it's worth about that.
It's a
Yeah, it's a
9 out of
9.
10.
Yeah, so it's worth about that. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a lot of moolah.
500. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I could just buy a couple, I guess.
Yeah, just by,
Yeah.
I actually got the prices off the PSA
Yeah.
site based on their grade.
Right. Yeah. And that tells you what they're worth. I gotcha. Yeah, and I think the prices are right on. I think I might just buy Wade Boggs.
Okay.
Just because I don't want to blow all my cash in one
Get his
spot.
number, and if you change your mind, you
Yeah,
can
that's a good
call.
idea.
And I'll let you have this one too.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, I like Wade Boggs. So,
Alright, cool.
okay, yeah, maybe I could leave you my number and then,
That was $10.
oops, yeah. Yeah,
Cool.
is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, give him your number, and that way, if you
Yes, it did.
There you go.
Cards, yard
Yep.
sale. Cool.
Tony, thank you, Tony. I appreciate it.
No problem. I'll see you around.
They should call this the Dave is Clueless episode, because it's a bunch of antiques and a bunch of sports cards, the 2 things I don't know how to flip. I'm sure a lot of you were punching and smashing your keyboards because of things I missed or things I didn't, that I paid too much for, didn't pay enough for, etc., etc. Let me know in the comments how bad I failed in this video. Would you have bought all those cards for 500 bucks? It seemed pretty high. I got a few of them that I haven't listed. Like, I think I'm going to keep a couple of those cards I got from him. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on all that. But I do have his number, so I could always text him and say, hey, my viewers say I should give you 500 for all those cards. But yeah, it was a lot of fun, guys. Thank you for coming. And if you want to see me buy a crazy haul of Dr. Pepper promotional gear, go ahead and check out this video. It's pretty cool interaction.